Hello, I Dr. Vijay Chandra Jadala welcomes you to VC Tech Education. Today I am going to discuss regarding logical or operator. A program with the help of a program we are going to discuss regarding logical or operator. Write a program to illustrate logical or operator. Here we taken three variables and we used or operator as well as and operator to find the candidates is passed or failed. So A, B, C, three variables are taken for the subjects 1, 2, 3 subjects, and we are going to store the values which are given as an input to A, B and C. Then we are going to print the three subject marks, that is print first subject marks A, that is whatever the value we stored in first time. Next print second subject marks, that is B, third subject marks, that is C. So the values will be stored in A, B and C and those are displayed. Next, AND logical operator, implementation of AND logical operator, print the candidate is paused, we are declaring it as paused, double quotes close, comma, A greater than 35 and B greater than 35 and C greater than 35. All the variables are linked with the AND operator. So if A greater than 35 is satisfied and B greater than 35 is satisfied and C greater than 35 is satisfied, then it will print the candidate is passed true. Next comes to the OR logical operator. The candidate is failed, that is A less than 35 or B less than 35 or C less than 35. So three variables we are checking whether they are less than 35. If any of it, that is A is less than 35, then it will print candidate is failed as true. Or B less than 35, then also the same situation, or C less than 35. So any of one subject is less than 35, then they are going to print it is candidate is failed, that is true. Next, the final print statement is thank you, VC Tech Education. Hope you understood this particular program. Let us check by running this particular program. So I am running this. Enter the marks in first subject 66, 70, 88, 09. So one subject he failed, so it should give failed is true, yes. The first subject marks is 66, second subject marks is 88, third subject marks is 9. The candidate passed is showing it as failed. The candidate is failed, it is showing as true. So the candidate is false, it's showing as false. Sorry, paused, it's showing as false. The candidate is failed, it's showing as true. Let us check it with one more example. By giving all the values as greater than 35, 56, 77, 99. So the first subject marks is 56, second subject marks is 77, third subject marks is 99. The candidate is passed, it's true. The candidate is failed, it's false. Thank you. Hope you understood this particular program. Thank you very much from VC Tech Education. Thank you for watching. Like this, if you like the programming method, like it, give a comment and even share to your friends. Subscribe this channel if you are new to this particular channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you.